Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a half up, half down twist out using Taura Amore's collection. Products that I'll be using are the Makinet Re-Moisturizer and the Makinet Butter Blend. So I've sectioned my hair into two parts on the side, and I'm going to do 2 braids on each side, and then I'm going to add some beads to the end. So this was my first time doing a braid, so it took me 2 tries to get it right, but I finally got it, you guys. I think I'm going to be able to do that braid out real soon. So I completely forgot about the struggle to adding beads to the end of your hair. But I guess third time was a charm. So now I have my 4 braids on the side, and I've added my beads, and now I'm going to put the rest of this top section into a little top knot. Now on to the twisting. So I'm just going to do medium-sized twists throughout each section of the rest of my hair using the Makinet Butter Blend. So my twists are finally done, and I'm going to let it air dry throughout the day and then untwist it. So here are my dry twists ready for the takedown. They are moisturized, shiny, and yep, defined. little light fluffing to finish off the style. So here are my final results, and I am definitely loving it. Hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.